In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check payouts on eBay. If you sell on eBay, payouts are the transfers of your available earnings to your bank account. Knowing exactly where to find them helps you track cash flow, confirm deposits, and understand timing. I'll walk you through the quickest way to get to the dedicated payouts view using a desktop web browser. Start on ebay.com and make sure you're in the account you use for selling. At the top right of any page, look for the My eBay menu. Instead of clicking, move your mouse over My eBay and pause for a moment. Hovering opens a drop-down so you can jump straight to the tools you needed without extra navigation. From that drop-down, click Selling. This takes you into your selling area, often called the Seller Hub or Selling Overview, where eBay centralizes listings, orders, performance, and payments. Give the page a second to load. eBay may show a brief overview before the full hub appears. Now, focus on the navigation bar near the top. Find the Payments tab. Just hover your mouse over Payments to reveal its submenu. This hover is important because it exposes shortcuts that save you time. In the submenu, click Payouts. That opens the dedicated Payouts page where you can see what's been sent, what's processing, and what's scheduled next. This is the destination you'll use anytime you want a clear picture of your funds moving from eBay to your bank. On the Payouts page, you'll typically see a summary section at the top with your next payout amount and schedule. Below, there's a list of payouts with dates, statuses, and amounts. You may notice filters for date ranges or payout status. These controls help you focus on a specific period or find a particular transfer without digging through your entire history. Each payout groups the orders, fees, refunds, and adjustments included in that transfer. If you need to reconcile numbers, this view helps you match what left eBay with what landed in your bank. It's normal to see statuses like processing or sent. Banks often need a few business days to complete the deposit, and weekends or holidays can add extra time. If your page looks slightly different, eBay may be testing a new layout. The path remains the same. Hover. My eBay, click Selling, hover Payments, then select Payouts. On mobile, the wording is similar, but the menus may be tucked into the main menu. And that's it. You hovered on My eBay, clicked Selling, hovered on Payments, and clicked Payouts. Bookmark this page for quick access, and you'll always know where your money is and when it's arriving. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.